I was gonna do a video about replacing a fuel filter. This is a fuel filter that I got from Rock Auto, and I've watched a bunch of tutorial videos how to replace fuel filters on these vehicles until I asked ChatGPT about the service interval, and it told me there's no fuel filter underneath my car. The fuel filter is in the tank. And that's when I thought, man, ChatGPT is tripping. And because I do have this panel here, and I thought, like, there's a fuel filter underneath the panel, but actually fuel filter should be right there, and there's nothing there. There's just a fuel line. So I guess this is just like a remnant of ancient predecessors that is just there, but serves no purpose because there's no fuel filter there. Oh well, I guess this video is not gonna be about fuel filter. Alright, since it's not gonna be about fuel filter, I guess I'll drill out my compressor housing and do that charge pipe. So in the previous video I was doing the integral piping and I had it all figured out except this side here. It's just a little bit of a mess happened here, but I think I can fix that with this U-pipe. I'm gonna cut this U-pipe in half and it's kind of gonna go right there. Well, I guess it's not really easy to explain. Anyway, let's just go and cut this U-pipe in half. Let me show you the workshop that is at my new place. I know this place looks kind of ghetto, but the perk of this place, one of the biggest perks why I wanted to get this place, is that there is a really cool workshop. The part that I'm interested in is here. Look at all this. Got the bench vise, got a bandsaw, circular saws, a drill press. It's not awesome. Well, I'm just having the space like this. It's just awesome. So I'm gonna see if I can chop this in half. So there's that J pipe in there. It's looking pretty good. I'm kind of liking it. I think now my flex hose is too long. I think I'll swap back to the 400 millimeter one. Was it 300? I don't remember. But also thinking maybe I should trim this guy, and hopefully I don't mess this up. Well, I mean, I can always buy more, because I think it's gonna look cleaner if I trim it instead of having it going like one way and another way, kind of diagonally. It's gonna be more straight, kind of like that. Yeah, let's try it. It's actually too long of the distance for the short hose and too short of the distance for the long hose. I think this one is like 400 and this one is 600, I think. And yeah, I kind of didn't want to cut that aluminum pipe anymore, and I kind of wanted to have minimal distance of this flex hose pipe coupler, because I'm not sure how reliable they are, and I thought, shorter distance is better. And anyway, I'm gonna have to go with the long hose and gonna have to shorten that aluminum pipe right there. So maybe my coupler will have to be like somewhere here. Yeah. turned out not as bad as I had expected. It actually looks kind of okay. It looks like kind of like meant to be. Yeah, anyway, not gonna put hose clamps on there because I think I'm gonna need to take out those turbos. I thought I could drill them out the way they're situated right now, but I don't think I get a drill in here. I kind of want to drill right here. Well, you know what? I don't know. Anyway, for now I have to go. So I'll be back later tomorrow, maybe, and see. I don't know this guy. Okay, maybe I'll take out this turbo. This turbo for sure cannot get a drill in here. Other side, maybe I can get a drill in there, and drill out the compressor housing for the boost reference port. Oh yeah, also installed this thing here, just this flappy thing right here. I installed it because there's a PCM right behind it, and I thought it would be good to have it somewhat protected from dirt and things that might fly into the grill. And yeah, looking good. It's a beautiful day for painting. Almost forgot that I still need to paint this. Not sure if this can is gonna be able to do anything, but let's give it a try. And here it is. I think it could be done better. It's a little bit very poor quality. A lot of droopy paint, leaky paint. But oh well, the can was some lost breath. It did not have much in it, and you know I made do with best with what I had. And it definitely looks better than unpainted, and I think that's good for now. So. Yeah, next I will go drill out the compressor housings. I think I figured out a better place where to drill. You can call me lazy, I won't even deny it, but really don't want to remove those turbos, and I think I found a way to do it. So I think I'll drill from here. Geez, can I see it? Yes, there we go. Kind of drill into that area right there. Okay, so I was trying to stuff a bunch of paper towels in there so that shavings don't go too far into the compressor, and it got stuck in there. I couldn't pull it out, and I thought, oh well, I'll just leave it in there. Also, I've decided that I should drill the hole from the top here. It's a thick part there. It's gonna be good for the threads. And also I was worried that if I'll drill it from the side, maybe it's come off the wrong angle, and then maybe it'll create like a Venturi effect, and it will actually maybe not not have reference boost. Maybe it'll just try to even pull vacuum because of how the shape is. Anyway, let's give it a try. Okay, I think it went not bad. I had to take out the wastegate actuator. to get in there. So yeah, my compressor is still clogged. Hopefully I'll be able to unclog it. And MPT tab, I think I went a little bit sideways at first and it was getting really tough to thread, but I think I have got it good now. So that's 1/8 NPT. I'm gonna go to the actuator. I think it turned out good. So yeah, I think we'll do the same thing on this side too. It's gonna go from the top here to here, and I think that's gonna look good. Alright, things have turned out well, I think. I've got the turbos unclogged. Well, basically they just unclogged themselves just by revving the engine. So yeah, that's a booster reference so that the turbo knows, or the wastegate actuator sees the pressure in the compressor and actuates accordingly. And I think that's a good path for the boost. So like, yeah, I think sometimes they'll have like boost reference coming off like from the face of the compressor, kind of like here. I think this is also okay, hopefully. Well, I mean, I guess I'll see it on a boost gauge what kind of pressure I'm seeing. Yeah, same thing here. There it is, right off the top of it. I think it turned out kind of nice and clean. Just have to put a short silicone hose and we'll be good to go. I wanted to do the injectors too, but maybe I'll do that next time, and we'll do like introduction to the HP tuners and tuning. Yeah, I think maybe I'll try to do like a bit of a shorter video. So yeah, this might be it. Thanks for sticking around, and I think I'll be putting out videos a little bit more consistently now, well, for a few weeks at least, and hopefully get this thing doing some cool turbo noises soon.